have you got a vegetable garden, an allotment? Why don't you show us what you've got? Just remember, if you've got your phone, take some clips, be yourself, and watch out for camera shake. See you later. Okay, I've studied these Google Analytics and in the bin. I have a core of supporting viewers in the people that subscribe to me, and who would give that up when they've contributed to the way my channel has shaped in the past to now, and give that up, what, for 2k subscribers that only occasionally make a comment? No, I think it's a no-brainer. Welcome to my holodeck. I'm having a new shed built. Sheds aren't allowed on our allotment, so I'm having a virtual one built, and it should be about ready by about now, but it's all in the mind. So there you are, Mr. Council. Try and ban that. You can't, can you? Okay, here we go. Holodeck to bridge. Please put on the new constructed shed, please. That's typical. I have this same problem with Siri. Bridge, new shed, please. Thank you. Do you like it? Do you like the big TV screen? It's not bad, is it? I mean, Steve's been going on to me about that I don't like using phones. That's not true. I like using my phones. What I don't like is to watch jumpy shots. So use a tripod or a stick. I take the dog out for a walk quite a lot, so I usually have the dog lead in my pocket. All you have to do is pop it over your neck, slip it in there, start it going, and look, you've got a tripod. Most people these days have a mobile phone, and they now have a good quality camera built in, so why not have a go and record your plot and join in the discussion. And if you don't have a tripod, visit a local charity shop where you can buy one at a reasonable price, and then visit your local pound shop and purchase one of these for £1. Unscrew it and attach it to your tripod, and you're ready to go. Another use I have for using the mobile is overhead shots. Not an easy task, say with one of these cameras, but with a mobile, easy peasy. The camera I generally use is this slim one, kept like a gun in my trouser pocket. A quick draw, snap onto the tripod, and away we go. There are some advantages in using one's phone for taking videos. For instance, it has a wider landscape shot. Clips can be loaded direct onto the editing device, in my case a computer, which means clips do not require converting, which equals less editing time. It fits in the pocket. Mobile phone can do overhead shots, difficult to avoid camera shake, expensive to replace if blown over on a tripod, tasks, not least as a phone. With a video camera, I can record in the morning with one camera, put it back on charge, and then in the afternoon film with the other. There has to be a system for converting and filing clips, and time is limited. Storing clips is a problem due to their size and number. I find going back for reference is not easy, even though I save them onto a hard disk drive. As a general rule, but not laid in stone, a clip should be no longer than 7 seconds, with a link change from and to the next or previous scene. If I stop the camera every 7 seconds, I will get no work done at all. Using 2 cameras helps, but it's not easy to position. The result is I shoot longer clips than needed, but I have a clip length restriction of 5 minutes due to video files are in AV1 format, while the iPhone movie files are MP4 format. The free converting system is restricted to a 5-minute duration of clips. This is a system of filing and converting clips I've used for the past 4 years. Layering clips during the editing process does make editing easier, gives greater scope on some effects, and unwanted clips can be discarded literally onto the cutting room floor. The editing of sound can be glued back into the video clip and will remain in position, which can't be moved accidentally or inadvertently, giving greater freedom and scope with titles. This is a system of filing and converting clips I have used for the past 4 years. Tried to do it using QuickTime, which is on the computer, but focus is not clear, therefore trying to do it longhand. This is an image of my desktop. The camera has been connected and shown by the 3 white squares. The top square marked no name is where the video clips are stored. Opening up no name shows 2 folders. Top folder named DCM is where the film shots are located. Open this file. Open 100 media file, and there we have 5 clips of films and the dates and the times when they were taken. Open up file marked December and add a new week and call it the 3rd week. Open up this file and insert 2 new files, calling them AV1 and MP4. Open up AV1 and then pull across all the files out of the no name. To layer, we go up to the top right hand corner where there's a little square and an arrow. This is an involved process. I don't need to save the AV files, and they use more memory than the MP4 files, and of those I only require to save the LED files. The edited soundtrack is just below the clips, and this is why I call the process layering. iMovie call it sharing. You can call it what you like, as they are now joined together as one and can be filed. And this is the first step in my new filing process. Well, you're going to give it a go then. I look forward to seeing it. Remember, be yourself. Look out for camera shake. You don't have to do all the tricks, just show us what your garden's looking like and what you're growing this year. Bye.